Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Hey, damn. Can't believe it on your man. And this new song, yeah, it's your jam. Girl, you riding a PJ. Got me speeding down the freeway to come see you, come see you. I mean, like, sheesh. Can't believe that you with me. You got me ballin' out my league. But you know me, Chef Curry with the three. Leave that buzzer be. Whoa. Break it down. Put the code in at the B&B. I'ma take it down. Late flights till the check-ins. Baby, we just young and restless. Leave the drama for the soap. Yeah, I got little money, need some more. But I still got time to let you know. If you tryna slow, baby, that's good with me.
Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be doing another hair tutorial today. This is gonna be actually from Megalook, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So starting out, you do get the little cute little blue package. It does come with your necessities. So you have like the headband for your baby hairs. They give you a baby hair comb, they give you a clip, and then they give you these eyelashes, and then there also is going to be another headband. Those eyelashes, you will see me wear those. Well, you saw it in the intro. So those eyelashes, I did wear them. I do like the eyelashes. Like, the eyelashes are really comfortable and they're pretty, and then they have the invisible band, so it was comfortable to wear those. So I love the eyelashes. As for the hair, do y'all see this hair color? Is so freaking gorgeous. When I saw this wig, I was like, baby, I have to have this wig. Okay, so it has 3 combs on top, 1 comb on the back, and then it has a headband inside of the unit. It is going to be a 13x4 HD transparent lace wig. Starting off, as you can see, this unit is not pre-plucked. So I'm going to start by cutting off the ear tabs. The hairline for me, as you can see, kind of goes in and out. So it does not like fit my hairline whatsoever. So this unit, you are going to have to put in a little bit of work to get it to customize it to your liking. And also, I just want to take a note. You see me cutting the ear tabs. Whenever I did cut the ear tabs on this unit is a frontal, so on the sides it does not curve in and everything. It is going to be your whole 13x4, so you do have the parting space from side to middle all the way across. So with this being like a frontal unit, the cap in the back for me, it did kind of loosen up. So I did have I guess the back loose, but it could be also because of how the headband on this unit is. So I might just cut that out and then try to re-put it in where I cut those ear tabs at, because it does get loose right there. But other than that, that was the only issue I did have with that. So you see me plucking this unit on my head, and then after that I took it off to plug it on my mannequin head, because I did have to pluck a lot of hair to get it to how I want it to look. I am using my Ruby Kisses Creator in the number, I think it's level 12, I do want to say. And you see what I'm saying? Like, girl, I had to pluck this hair. So that is what the unit looks like right now. It looks really good. Okay, and I was scared because I thought I had put bald spots in this unit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use some scalp protecting spray, and then I'm gonna go in with my hair glue. I did use 2 layers of hair glue because I just had to. I did the ball cap method, and this wig is just so freaking gorgeous. I love the color and everything on this unit. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I did do 2 layers, and then once I do lay this unit down, I am using some holding spray on top. I don't know, for me, holding spray just makes the unit look like just helps it melts into the scalp even more, even though I use the glue. With the lace, I didn't have any problems tinting the lace, so as you can see, it does look good. You are gonna notice after I cut off the lace, I still do have like my wig cap showing. This unit, it does not like fit my hairline. You know, my hairline goes forward like towards the ends of my eyebrows, this hairline goes backward. So I was gonna add baby hairs, but I decided not to because I loved how the hairline looked. So if you got up on me, like looked at my hair like really close to me, you would see like my ball cap was showing, and I had left the lace on top of it, but far away you cannot see it at all. So I loved how the lace did lay. While the wig is melting, I am gonna go ahead and just curl this unit up. I did have to curl this unit 2 times. I curled it right now as you're seeing, and then I did my makeup, and then after that I did go in and curl it again because the curls did fall. So I curled this unit 2 times. I put holding spray on, so I'm not sure. And then too, I did leave the house for just a second after I did curl it, and it could have been because of the humidity and rain, because it was sprinkling at the time, so that might have made a cause too as to why the hair I had to recurl it. So now I'm just gonna go in with my eyebrow razor to go ahead and cut the lace. I'm just showing you how slow I'm cutting it, and I also all the time still get nicks. So be careful when you are using an eyebrow razor and use it like towards a angle. So you see like right there what I'm saying, like all that lace. I did cut that down some, but I still did leave a lot of lace. Because like I said, I was going to apply some baby hairs, but I decided not to because I loved how the hairline looked. So I do have like lace left on my sides right there. But also, like I said, my ball cap is sitting right there. If I didn't have a ball cap there, I would have my hair left out because my hair goes forward. Like I said, this wig goes backwards. After that, I am applying my Maybelline Fit Me in a shade 362 Truffle to cover the lace on the ends. I'm taking my hot comb just to slick the hair down. I'm putting some sideburns. Yeah, I didn't put any baby hairs. I did sideburns. So I'm just putting some sideburns and just blending the hair in place. So to get into this hair, I did get shedding in the beginning, but I think as I brushed and plucked through this unit, I didn't have any more shedding after all. And it is going to be like a process wig. I mean, they had to put color and bleach and all that to get this unit to look this way, so you know you're gonna expect to have some shedding. But after I went through, plucked the unit, brushed the hair, combed it out, after all the hair that came out, I didn't have any more shedding with this hair. Using my hot comb, I didn't have a problem with the hair coming out either. The hair curled nicely. It looks nice. You don't have like too much flyaways. The density on this unit, wow, I love the freaking density on this unit. For this unit, you expect like it to not have a lot of density because it is going to be, you know, like a highlighted unit, but you expect it to not. But the overall quality of this unit, I love it. The price and everything, like, it's for this unit, I have the 22 inches, is $229. I wouldn't expect this unit to be $229. That's how good of the hair quality the unit is and how thick and full this unit was. They do have payment plans, so you can use Afterpay and Klarna, and it is $57.25. So you'll do 4 payments of $57.25. This unit I highly recommend. I think it is a freaking gorgeous unit. Do you see this unit? It is so freaking pretty. I did not want to take this unit off. Like, look at how pretty this unit is. I love this unit. I didn't cut any layers or anything into this unit at all. All I did was, baby, pluck the hairline. And like I said, that's basically all you have to do with this unit. Put in some work, is pluck the hairline. It is a body wave unit, so I'm sure you can wear it like in its natural state and it'll still look good. But like I said, this is a gorgeous unit, and like I said, I would expect you to pay $400 or $500 for this wig because of the density and the quality on this freaking unit. So go ahead and check them out and try out this wig because you will not be disappointed. You are gonna put in some work from plucking, but you will not be disappointed in the quality. Okay, so if I do have a coupon code, I will leave that down below, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you to Megalook for sending me out this unit to review, because girl, I freaking love it. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.